National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, York River, Rappahannock River, until 6 p.m. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Urbana Inlet to near Cobham Bay to 32 nautical miles northwest of Edenton, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Mobjack Bay, Burwell Bay, Irvington, Okothon, Dominion Pier, Urbana Inlet, Coleman Bridge, Tuesday Marshes Light, Hampton River Inlet, James River Bridge, Hampton Flats, monitor Merrimack Bridge Tunnel and Whitestone Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Five knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, NASA Ox Reef, Thimble Shoals, Tuesday Marshes Light, Stingray Point, Occohannock Reef, Hampton Flats, Willoughby Bay, Cabbage Patch, Ruddy Inlet, Longs Creek Inlet, Rappahannock Light, Latimer Shoal, Nanduapungo Reef, Mobjack Bay, Gwyn's Island Reef, Kirtopee Concrete Ships, Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, Smith Point Inland Haven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.